Pete the Cat, Pete at the Beach by James Dean. 皮特猫在海边。It is a hot day. Pete the cat goes to the beach with his mom and his brother Bob. Let's go in the water, Bob says. Maybe later, says Pete. 今天很热，皮特猫和妈妈还有他的兄弟鲍勃去海边。我们去水里吧，鲍勃说。也许晚一点吧，皮特说。Bob likes to surf. He rides the big waves. It looks like fun. I'm hot, says Pete. Go in the water, says Mom. Maybe later, says Pete. 鲍勃喜欢冲浪，他乘风破浪，看起来很有趣。我很热，皮特说。去水里吧，妈妈说。也许晚一点吧，皮特说。Pete makes a sand castle. His mom helps him dig. Here comes a big wave, and there goes Pete. 皮特搭了一个沙滩城堡，他的妈妈帮他挖沙子。一个大浪打来，皮特赶紧跑了。Oh no! Where did his sand castle go? Bob rides a big wave. Wow, says Pete. That looks like fun. 哦，不好，他的沙滩城堡哪儿去了？鲍勃又乘上了一个大浪。哇，皮特说，看起来很好玩。Pete and his mom take a walk. They find seashells. They see a crab. Pete's feet get wet. His feet feel cool. The rest of him is hot. 皮特和妈妈溜达，他们找到了贝壳，他们看见了螃蟹。皮特的脚湿了，他的脚凉凉的，其他的部位都很热。It is time for lunch. Pete eats a sandwich. He drinks lemonade. The sun is very hot, and Pete is very, very hot. Bob is wet and cool. 该吃午饭了。皮特吃了一个三明治，喝了一些柠檬水。太阳很热，皮特非常非常热。鲍勃湿湿的，很凉快。Let's play ball, says Pete. No thanks, says Bob. I want to surf. Pete throws the ball. His mom catches it. 我们玩球吧，皮特说。不，谢谢，鲍勃说。我想冲浪。皮特扔球，他的妈妈接住。Let's get our feet wet, says Mom. Well, okay, says Pete. The water is cool. It feels good. Pete goes in deeper. 让我们把脚弄湿吧，妈妈说。好吧，皮特说。水很凉，感觉真好。皮特走深一点。Bob waves to Pete. I want to show you how to surf, he yells. Pete does not say, maybe later, he says. Let's do it. 鲍勃跟皮特挥手。我想教你怎样冲浪，他叫着。皮特没有说，也许晚一点吧。他说，让我们开始吧。Lie on the board, says Bob. Pete lies on the board. Paddle, says Bob. Pete paddles out. He waits for a big wave. 躺在冲浪板上，鲍勃说。皮特躺在板上。划水，鲍勃说。皮特开始向外划水，他等着大浪。A big wave is coming. Stand up, says Bob. Pete stands up. 一个大浪来了，站起来，鲍勃说。皮特站了起来。Then Pete falls down. It was scary, but it did not hurt. Try again later, says Bob. Pete wants to try again now. 然后皮特摔倒了，好可怕，但是一点不疼。等一下再试，鲍勃说。皮特想现在就再试。Pete lies down again. He paddles out and waits. Here comes a wave. Pete stands up. This time he rides the wave. Good job, says Bob. 皮特再次躺下，他边划水边等待。大浪来了，皮特站起来，这次他乘上了大浪。干得好，鲍勃说。Pete wants to surf all day. Bob does too. So they take turns. Pete and Bob rock and roll with the waves. What a great day! 皮特想冲浪一整天，鲍勃也是。于是他们轮流着。皮特和鲍勃边冲浪边唱歌，好棒的一天。It is okay to be afraid, but it is more fun to surf. 觉得害怕很正常，但是冲浪更有趣儿。The end. Thanks for reading with me today. 好，这里是小书虫，好书天天读，好书一起读。我们下次见。